Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget. Today we have with us one more smartwatch and it's the Zebronics Zebfit 5220CH, and in this video we will do the unboxing and show you its features. So let me first show you the unboxing experience. In the front of the box we have the model name, and the one we have here is the limited edition with metal straps. On this side of the box we have some key features such as super slim design, large square screen, SpO2 blood pressure monitoring, metal body, heart rate monitoring, it's IP68 waterproof, dual menu user interface, 8 sports modes, customizable watch faces, and this smartwatch can store up to 7 days of data. And here we have some more features such as speedometer, sleep monitoring, call notifications, and so on. The companion app Zebfit 20 series is available for both Android and iOS platform. And here we can see the MRP of this smartwatch, which is 5,999. However, it's available right now for just Rs 2,999 for the standard variant and 3,499 for this limited edition. And guys, this is an introductory pricing. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So here on the top we have the smartwatch itself, and my first impression is that I really like the design, especially this metal strap and body. It definitely feels premium. We will look at the smartwatch in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the user guide, and it has a detailed info about the pairing and features. And here we have the charging dock, which is magnetic. And for charging, you can place the watch on the top of it like this. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Zebronics Zebfit 5220CH is a budget fitness smartwatch. But looking at the design and build quality, I can say that it's the best designed smartwatch I have seen so far this year in this price segment. The sleek metal body feels good, and again, the limited edition metal straps looks good. And personally, I would suggest you to go for this by paying Rs 500 additional. Now in terms of the overview, we have the 1.75-inch square display, which comes with the 2.5D curved glass. And here on this side, you have the button to control the smartwatch. At the back we have the charging pins and the heart rate sensor. The metal strap is magnetic, and you just need to wear the watch and then tighten the strap as per your choice. And guys, this watch does feel premium, and even though you have the metal body and straps, still this watch feels really comfortable on the hand. So overall in terms of design and build quality, as I said earlier, I feel that it's the best smartwatch in this price bracket. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So for pairing, we need the app Zebfit 20 series. Now to pair the watch, we need to tap on the add bracelet and then tap on the watch name. And here it is. The smartwatch is now paired and ready to use. Now let's go through the watch features first. So as you guys know, you get the full touchscreen and the controls are gesture based. So here we have the watch face, and upon long pressing, you can switch between different watch faces. And also you can add more watch faces through the app. Now about the controls, swiping down from the top shows you the quick settings. And here we have DND, theater mode, flashlight, menu style, weather, and then here we have the brightness and settings. One more thing I should tell you here, that the touch response is really good, and I feel the animations on this watch are buttery smooth, which is really surprising to see in this price range. Now coming back to the menu, swiping up from the bottom shows you the notification history, and swiping left from the right side shows you the quick cards. And here we have step counts, sleep data, heart rate, blood pressure, SpO2, and weather. Now to access the main menu, you would need to swipe right from the left side. And here we have the menu. The menu looks very similar to the Apple Watch, and again, here as well I find the animation very smooth. And also guys, if you don't prefer the Hive style menu, then you can change it to the grid style from the settings. Now in the menu, first we have the pedometer, sleep, and then the heart rate. And guys, here I find the heart rate detection fast and accurate. After that we have the training, and you get the 8 sports modes, which includes walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, football, and swimming. After that we have the blood pressure monitoring, and this is only for reference, and you should not be using the data for medical purpose. Then in the menu we have the SpO2 monitoring, which is a common feature these days in smartwatches. After that we have the weather, and here you can see the current weather along with the 5 days weather forecast. Then we have the messages, which is the notification history. And after that we have the shutter, by which you can use this smartwatch as a remote camera shutter. You can also control the music on your phone using your smartwatch. And here you can change the soundtracks but you don't get the volume control. After that we have the breathe feature, and here you can do some breathing exercise to calm yourself down. And then we have some usual but important features such as stopwatch, alarm, countdown with some preset timers and flashlight. And then finally we have the settings. So in the settings we have the brightness, vibration and the D&D. After that we have the theater mode, watch faces, and then the usual reset and power off option. So that's all the features we have on this smartwatch, and right now I can say that this smartwatch not only offers good design and build quality, but functionality wise it's even better. There are no major lags and stutters, and the touch response is very good. Now let me quickly show you the companion app Zebfit. So the app Zebfit Series 20 offers a basic UI, and here we have the step counts on the top. Then we have the sleep, heart rate, blood pressure and the SpO2 data. You can tap on any of these cards to see the historical data. Then we have the device page, and here we can see the connected device on the top and the remaining battery percentage. And then below it you have the options such as watch faces, and here you have lot of watch faces to choose from. And also guys, this smartwatch also supports animated watch faces, but you'll have to apply the watch face one by one to see which one is animated. Then we have the notification settings, and from here you can select the apps for which you want the notification on your smartwatch. And talking about it, here is how you get the call notification. So you can silent the notification on the watch or reject the call from the watch itself. And now about the app notifications, here is how you get the message notification. And as expected, we don't get the preset replies and emoji support in this smartwatch. Now coming back to the settings, then we have the alarms, and from here you can edit the alarm on the watch. After that we have the remote camera shutter and other watch settings. In other settings, here we have the time format, enable the sedentary reminder, continuous heart rate monitoring and quick view, which is raise to wake feature. And during our testing, we found the raise to wake works well on this smartwatch. And then in the settings we have the drink water reminder and also the heart rate warning, which sends you an alert if your heart rate is high. And lastly, here we have the female health tracking option. So guys, that's pretty much all the features we have in the companion app. Even though this app looks simple and there are no fancy and stylish graphics in this app, but it still does the job, and it is a very simple and easy to use app. So overall, Zebronics Zebfit 5220CH is a good looking smartwatch. The design is very good, and I really like the metallic body and the straps in this smartwatch. The standard version also feels good in terms of the quality. And about the functions, there are no lags and stutters, and the touch response is very good. Functionality wise, I'm impressed with this smartwatch. We found the heart rate, SpO2 data and the step count accurate during our testing. And guys, right now I can say that the Zebronics Zebfit 5220CH is the best smartwatch under Rs 3000 so far this year. And as usual, if you like this smartwatch and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Zebronics Zebfit 5220CH smartwatch. Let us know if you like it, and also if you have any queries or questions about this smartwatch, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Gig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.